This regard, my name is Ricardo Perez. I'm studying electronics engineer in the University UNAD. This video is created for the English course. Let's start. Playa Blanca is an earthy paradise located in Boyacá on the Total Lake. It is a small white sand beach located on the southwest of the lake. Is really beautiful. Um, it's only 12 kilometers for the town of Aquitania and 30 or 40 minutes um, from the Sogamoso city with a road in very good condition. A couple of years ago in January, I was with my friends and some friends camping at the Playa Blanca. Uh, is beautiful. Um, have a big lake with a small beach where there is camping area and cooking grills, a large or big parking lot, and a dog white water sports suit, and jet skis and boats to navigate the on the lake. Also beautiful place to ride horse, all at very affordable prices or place. We, my wife and me, to return on the next vacation. Um, in this photography, we can see the boats and jet skis for renter. Um, un pequeño problema. Pequeño problema con Windows. Um, in this photography, we can see the horse, horseback riding with this beautiful place. Is really beautiful to see. In this photo, we can see the camping zone is big and comfortable. Um, uh, Beautiful is and big. Um, the place where you should spend holidays in Boyacá is Playa Blanca. Although it is cold, it is beautiful. You and your family should wear warm clothing. Is cool. Cold. You will drink food to prepare because there are grills for the people who come. They should not spend much time inside the lake. It's very cool. It's very cool. Cold. You had better not leaving garbage, never, never, never. When you go and your family should return every summer. Finally, in these photos recommendation that you have to into account mm, clothes muy abrigada. You should bring enough blades to camp, and you should have your own firewood for the campfire or the barbecue. Thank you. Este fue un video para el curso de inglés 1. Feliz noche.